Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pesto vinaigrette using an easy method. This versatile dressing is perfect for salads, pasta, or as a marinade. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We'll also use extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar, and a touch of salt. Now, let's create the flavorful pesto base. Place your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic cloves, and grated Parmesan cheese into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients together until they form a coarse, crumbly paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This process emulsifies the ingredients, creating a smooth and vibrant green pesto. With our pesto base ready, it's time to transform it into a vinaigrette. Carefully transfer the pesto mixture from the food processor into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. This adds a lovely tang and brightens the flavor profile. Finally, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your easy pesto vinaigrette is almost complete. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as you like. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more vinegar for extra zing. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply whisk in another tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. This delicious dressing is ready to enjoy immediately or can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.